I gave up the company. Binalik ko sa mga investors ko, sabi ko ayoko na. I had clinical depression at that time. 6 yung gamot ko. And the future belongs to those who see the possibilities before they become obvious. At that time, akala ko sobrang galing ko. Hindi ko siya nakita. Nilaban ko, alam mo yun, nauso yun, yung mga giveaway ng iPhone, follow this, follow that. Doon ako drive nun, until hindi na kinaya, girl. I gave up the company. Binalik ko sa mga investors ko, sabi ko, ayoko na. Sa inyo na yung company ko, nang wala silang binabayad. I just gave it away. In short, I had clinical depression at that time. 6 yung gamot ko. I was at the verge of, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to exist anymore. This is not working out. I don't want to be here anymore. Until I don't want to talk anything about money. I don't want to talk anything about business. I just don't want to talk. Magmo-Mobile Legends na lang ako. With the games, I hid the pain. Naisip ko, ayoko makipag-usap tungkol sa pera, pero paano ko mabuhay?